You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation, or should I say pronunciations, because yes, it can be pronounced different ways. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing like this in English, stay tuned, I've got more videos. As an adjective, which is probably the most common way this is used, it's pronounced covert, covert, meaning not openly acknowledged or displayed, covert. As a noun, however, which it's a thicket in which game can hide, so animals, birds in particular, covert is how it is pronounced as a noun, covert. But the most common use of this word is as covert. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.